Every homebuyer wants to know, what's this home's flow? But when they look at listings online, only 1% have a floor plan. Why? Floor plans are time-consuming, difficult, and expensive. Until now. Are you ready to improve every one of your listings with a floor plan? Introducing Flow Plan, powered by Casa, an app and software that enables you to put a floor plan on every one of your listings. Buyers want to see floor plans when they're looking at listings online, helping them instantly make decisions about which homes they want to walk through. Sellers want their homes sold. Now, you can deliver and improve your listings with fast, easy, and affordable floor plans. With just your smartphone, in less than 10 minutes, you can scan a property and upload the scan to be processed into a floor plan. Or you can invite a collaborator, like a licensed assistant, team member, or photographer to do the quick scan and upload. In about a day, you'll receive an accurate, awesome floor plan like magic. That's it. It's that simple. No extra training, equipment, or expense, and no clumsy file uploads for you to deal with. Just wonderful you, your smartphone, and 10 minutes. And if you have a problem, no worries. Our friendly support team is here to get you back on track. Flow Plan, brought to you by your friends at FBS.